If you want to set a photo as a wallpaper on a Samsung Galaxy S26, first of all, we need to open Settings. Now over here in Settings, we can proceed to the Wallpaper and Style, and then we can choose Change Wallpapers. In here we have the Gallery option, so you can choose one of these options that we have available in this section, or you can tap on this arrow on the right side, and then you can choose whichever photo you wish to use as the wallpaper. So let's say I'm going to select this one, and I'm going to tap on Done. You can choose to set it for the lock screen and home screen, and then we can go next. Use the pinching gesture to zoom in and zoom out. Use your finger to adjust the position of the wallpaper. At the bottom we have some additional options, and if you want to, you can switch to the home screen preview by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. Once you are done, we can tap on Done in the upper right corner. In addition to that, you can also go to the gallery, and then from the gallery you should be able to tap on these three dots in the upper right corner, and then we can choose to set it as wallpaper, and then this works as well. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.